The next step is to do oil pastels. We have kits of oil pastels that we share as a class. So based on colors you've already used, picked out a couple of colors that you really like that seem to go well together. And I recommend picking a neutral, either the white, the black, the gray, or the cream. The yellow can also work as a neutral depending on how you use it. Then for the oil pastels, it's pretty common to have to rip off this paper after a while. The oil pastels are really hard to use in tight spaces, so hopefully you are picking a box that doesn't have tight spaces. And then you can erase or not erase your pencil. It really won't affect the media, but the pencil line will show up, so most people would erase it. You put down a base just like the Conte. But then the difference is you can mix pastels as you work with them. So I can change the color in the center. I put down my base, and then I take my neutral and I go over the top to blend and work them together. And then again, just like Conte, I can bring back my original color. I go down into this space, so I want to create edge to edge so that there's no paper showing. Put down my base color, and then I'm going to have this fan out to a blue, and then I'll do a different base so you can see how this kind of works. So I slightly overlap the blue and the green, and then I go into that base color to mix them and pull them and blend them together. And that's the end of oil pastels. You can't use any of your blenders, you can't use any of your erasers. It is what it is, and once it's there, it's not going to come off.